YouTubers, welcome back. 100 subscribers, yay for me. Just want to take the time to thank everybody who's got me to 100 for the time that you've dedicated to watch my videos. Time is something you'll never get back again once you've spent it, so I appreciate the time very much on everything, all the time you've helped watching and subscribing and commenting and sharing. Anyway, we're here just to update what I'm doing. Got myself a cheap little $36 MWP controller. Just something to boost it a little bit because I got those panels on the roof that not doing anything. Just for now, I've just got it coming in through that. I'm going to swap out, just playing around with it, swap it out for breaker. Going to upgrade the wire so I can take it a little bit better. Going to swap it out for this wire here, because this is a 30 amp controller. Just put a little bit of charge in the batteries in the morning. Now, just want to show you something. I got 12 of these packs. There's some sort of medical pack according to Google, and all measured okay, so I'm just going through the process of testing them. Tested one of them. It did come in at 5.2 amps. About 400 or so, or 350 or less than the rated. So it seems to be okay, but I'm not going to pull them apart. They've got 16 650s, inside it 16 with the BMS. Now I'm suspecting, being a medical pack, it looks like, according to Google, but if anyone knows what they are, let me know. I'm suspecting if there's anything like Average Joe says in line with America, they have to swap them out once a year regardless. But I did do a test on them. These are the cells come out of. Heat shrink, and under it the paper. And all around at 1480s, 15, so on average they're 1500 milliamp is what that would equal divided by the 16. It's a 4S 4P. Now over on the table, working on my next bank or set, but that's going to be a 4.7 kilowatt, so I need to add a few more batteries, maybe swap out some low ones to bring them up to the 4.7. Remember, I want to match there to this one, so when I go 48 volt, all the same like I did for here. Nothing I'm working on. These are high drain cells. I don't know all the values and everything as far as what they should be, but I've tested them all. These seem to be good. 2000 milliamp on average. And these ones are meant to be about like 1500 on paper or something, or 2000, but either way. So I believe they're 10 amp discharge, and there's a 20 amp discharge. Don't know what these are. So, why I'm doing this, I want to make this a 14P10S pack for when I move to 48 volt. But why I'm making it like this, because eventually I like to look at the idea of making a go-kart, electric go-kart. So this is the pack I want to use. So you might have already pointed out to yourself, 14P, but there's 7P. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 7P and then 7P. So basically parallel with that to that. And then later on I can adjust it, make that 48 volt there, the 14P. So what I'm looking at, do I make it for now yellow to go around the outside, or I'm thinking orange to sort of represent high discharge pack? Drop your comments, what color would you think would look good? So the idea is I want to have it maybe on another bracket down the bottom where I can literally just clip it into the PowerWall here, because I want to utilize these batteries. They're just sitting there otherwise. So anyway, 140 cells in there, 560 cells there. I'm hoping that I'm going to put more effort into getting more laptop packs, and this should be the last 7P I would make, because I want to do next time a full 14P. I got a new multimeter, just a cheapie, $35. My other one was overreading. I did adjust it was over reading the voltage because it was under reading. I can't get it right, but I blew it up. So it still makes lights like that. But my son likes dials and buttons, so I gave it to him. So anyway, thank you very much once again for supporting my channel and dedicating all that time watching. And I encourage you to watch some more and just drop comments and let me know how I'm going. Otherwise, thank you very much and just look out for new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.